Okay guys, today I'll be sharing out this fried rice, Thai grills are famous Thai style fried rice with chicken, shrimp, cashew, nuts, veggies, and egg. It does contain shrimp, onions, pea pods, green beans, the vegetables, tomato, carrots, chicken, cashews, broccoli, and pineapple. Okay guys, the atmosphere, it is a little bit loud. It is because of the walk. It does have like a nice little atmosphere. Okay, let's try out the carrots. Okay, let's try out the onions. Let's try out the cucumber. Okay, let's try out the tomato. Okay, let's try out the vegetable. Okay, let's try out the pineapple. Okay, let's try out the chicken. Okay, let's try out the shrimp. Okay, all the vegetables and the meat are all cooked. This dish does have like a lot of flavors in there. The dish does taste a little bit sweet. It does taste a little bit salty. I think this dish does have a little bit of soy sauce taste to it. The dish is not too oily. I'm gonna give this a rating of 4 out of 5. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.